Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Ahmadi Rahman Agus, one of student in English Education Department, class 4D, and this occasion I want to deliver my analysis for the thesis chapter 1 until chapter 3 to complete my final exam in public speaking course. Alright, in the title of the thesis is the use of cartoon movie to improve students' listening ability at senior high school Satu Rupat by Ayu Permatasari. Okay, the next slide is fact. Listening is one of the skills that we should have in learning English. Whether it is directly or talk media like music or movie, English is an international language taught in school around the world. And the next is grain theory. According Hermer 2007 said the listening is good for our student pronunciation too, in that the more they heard and they understand English being spoken, the more they absorb appropriate pitch and intonation, stress, and the sounds both of individual words and those which blend together in connected speech. And the parts of formulations or object. And after conducting preliminary study at 11th grade of stage senior high school Satu Rupat, it is clear that most of students are still getting difficulties, especially to improve listening ability. A. Why some of the students are not able to understand what native speaker says, and B. Why some of the students are not able to answer listening questions correctly. C. Why some of the students are not able to identify the certain information of the cartoon movie listened. And D. Why some of the students are not able to identify the event in the cartoon movie listened. And object and significance of the research. A. Objective of the research problem, the formulation of the problem. The researchers has objective of the research as follow. The first E. To find out how the student listening ability before talk by using cartoon movie at 11th grade of senior high school Satu Rupat. And B. To find out how the student listening ability after talk by using cartoon movie at 11th grades of senior high school Satu Rupat. And C. To find out whether there is any significant effect of students' listening ability between talk without using cartoon movie and talk by using movie at 11th grade of senior high school Satu Rupat. the part of operational concept. Shafi'i 2013 states the operational concept is derived from related theoretical concepts on all of the variables that should be practically and empirically appreciated in academic writing of a research paper, and the part of method. The type of the research is an experimental research, according to Creswell 2020. And experimental is the traditional approach to conduct quantitative research, whether its influences and outcome are dependent variables, and the designs of the research is a qualitative experimental with pre-test and post-test. Control group designs. It includes assignments, but not random assignments of participants to group. There are two variables that become the focus of the research: independent and dependent variable. The independent variable is a variable that influences other variables, and dependent variable is affected by the independent variable. And the last part of the thesis is technique of data analysis. The data in the research was analyzed by using t-test formula. T-test was obtained by considering the degree of freedom TF 9 in 1 and 92 plus 92 mean 2, and also the researchers speculatively analyze the data by using SPSS in 70 version for the independent t-test. Therefore, to find out magnitude significance as effect of using cartoon movie on student listening ability at the 11th grade at State Senior High School Saturupat, it was calculated by using eta squared formula. According to Pilon 2010, effect size is a set of statistics indicating the magnitude of the differences between means in the dependent variables that's predictable from knowledge of the level of independent variables. While I think that's all for my analysis about thesis from chapter 1 until chapter 3. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.